What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the plate cloak of Cursed Soul in Crimson Desert. This golden cloak would suit well if you're after some shiny gear. It provides 2 defense, but its best feature is the level 3 fire resistance. You'll find this to the west of Hernan Town, inside the territory of Demenis. It's just southwest of the Demenis label inside a place called the Demenisian Ruins. It's also just north of St. Halsius's House of Healing. Go there and you might need to defeat a few bandits to remove any interference. When the area is clear, look for this part of the ruins with the wide wall and a tower. Approach the wall and you'll find some weird bricks. Now all you have to do next is to climb it, on the left or right side of it within the strange bricks. Hold Q to latch into the wall and do the force palm. This part of the wall will rotate and you'll find a chest inside. Loot the chest and there's your cloak. Congratulations! Now that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.